All right, tummy tucks never go out of style. Last year, it was the 5th most sought-after plastic surgery with more than 116,000 procedures. Many of them were done using something called progressive tension sutures, developed by a father and son right here in Dallas. CW33's Barry Carpenter is live with the story. It must be a good one.
Yeah, Amanda, this surgery has been around for a long time, and so has the procedure called progressive tension sutures, which is designed to help patients heal faster with fewer complications. The doctors knew they were onto something, and now a study and a growing legion of doctors around the world feel exactly the same way.
Tanya Sai is like more than 230,000 women who have had tummy tucks over the past 2 years. She can count the reasons she had her surgery on one hand.
I'd had 5 children, and no amount of weight loss, sit-ups, push-ups, exercise would get rid of the loose skin from birthing 5 children.
She interviewed a handful of doctors, then saw a woman who had recently had a tummy tuck.
Who did your procedure? I've got to know. That's who I want to use.
The doctors turned out to be Harlan Pollock and Todd Pollock, father and son plastic surgeons who developed the progressive tension sutures procedure. Dr. Pollock says most surgeons get rid of loose skin by pulling it tight like a bed sheet, but his technique uses a series of sutures to keep the skin in place.
It holds the tissues together, so when the patient moves, everything moves as a unit, plus it's held tightly together, so there's really no reason to use drains after surgery.
The drains collect fluid, sometimes for up to 3 weeks. Dr. Pollock has used the procedure since the 1980s, and after nearly 600 cases found that less than 1% actually collected fluid, and none had developed blood clots due to too much bed rest. Their technique is reviewed in the August Aesthetic Surgery Journal. His son Todd joined the practice in 1997.
Basically, the concept of this technique is really basically good surgical technique, closing dead space, putting things back the way you found them.
Todd helped tweak the procedure so that it's more easily replicated by other surgeons. The Pollock team believes about a third of American plastic surgeons are now using the technique, while an estimated 60% of European and South American surgeons are doing likewise. Tanya was up and around almost immediately.
I walk down the hall and I'm standing straight up, and there's other physicians' patients who are all hunched over and they couldn't stand up, and I'm walking down the hall and I felt wonderful.
And when you look good, you feel good.
I erased a lot of the effects of having 5 children.
Barry Carpenter, CW33 News.